We're here at Chicken Licken, about to get some fried chicken. Our subscribers been raving about this place, so we're here to see what the hype's about. I'm hungry, let's eat. So we got an 8-piece bucket of chicken, 3 fries, wings, coleslaw, bread, everything. So I'm gonna go in right with the thigh. Let's see what this hitting on. So right off the bat, you get the crunch from the skin. I mean, it's seasoned really, really well. It's got a little spice to it. The meat is juicy, it's tender. This is a quality piece of chicken, I'm not gonna lie. It's fried to perfection, guys, and it's better than a lot of other chicken spots like fast food chains that we usually would eat in America because the spice level is through the roof. So, very good thigh. I'm gonna try the wing now. See if that's good. The same thing with the wing. Very, very, have a lot of spice to it. Really, really good. It's really good, guys. This is delicious. And then we got the coleslaw right here. I love coleslaw, so. It's really tangy from the mayo. Crunchy. Overall, solid coleslaw. And then lastly, we got the fries. And that's also good, for sure. Not very crispy, but the seasoning on there is really good, and it's an overall pretty good fry.
Now it's my turn to try the chicken. Which piece should I get? I'm gonna go for Old Faithful. Do the leg. Looks good. Let's see. Okay. Now, this chicken actually tastes good. And it actually has a little spice. Not as crispy as I would like, but it's really good. The flavor's good, the seasoning is very good. It's perfectly fried. Okay, I'm about to try these fries. Pretty good, tastes like French fries. Good seasoning on it though. And coleslaw, let's see. If I can get some on this tiny spoon. Pretty good. Just tastes like coleslaw. Tastes like any coleslaw from anywhere. I would say it's thicker. Now it's time to try the wings. Should I bite it? Should I be fancy? Not gonna eat that. It's good. It tastes the same as the regular chicken. It's good. So I would give Chicken Licken a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's really good.
So overall, I would have to say this is really, really good chicken. Some of the best chicken I had from like a little fast food chain by far. And I would rate this 8.5 out of 10 for sure. So we finished the food, we're stuffed, everything was delicious, and we will be back. So we're going to end this video now. I want to say thank you for watching all the way through, and we love you, family. Shalom.